Hello, people. Welcome to Blub World. Blub World is a magazine for teenagers with a work focus of teens inspiring teens. So every month, Blub World tries to find a teenager who's doing amazingly well in life and share his or her story with many more teens globally. Around a year back, while we were working with so many teens globally, we thought, let's create something that brings these amazing teenagers together. And that's where the idea of the World Teen Parliament was born, the world's first and exclusive parliament of teenagers, a parliament of the teens, by the teens, for the world. We are thankful to our partners, UNESCO New Delhi Office, UNESCO Mahatma Gandhi Institute, and the United Nations Kindness Matters Initiative. We are thankful to our supporters, Amrita University, Common Sense Holdings, To The Gap, Go Bubble School UK, Kidzania India, Metamorphosis School, Rishihood University, and Sai University. Now, what is World Teen Parliament? What's the idea, the definition, the concept of the World Teen Parliament? The World Teen Parliament is a parliament of 100 teen MPs selected from all across the world who can solve local or global problems with their innovative ideas. Once they get selected, we will be training them, mentoring them, and funding them to realize their vision of a better world. This year, we'll be screening 100,000 plus teenagers globally who will be voted to power by 300,000 plus schools, teachers, and parents from across the globe. When you go on our website, blubworld.com/World Teen Parliament, you'll find this video message. If you click on this, you'll get this complete introduction once again that you are hearing right now. To participate, a teenager has to answer this question in a 59-second video, either in English or in Hindi, and then follow the steps to participate. The question is, how will I improve the world? When you answer this question, remember to keep yourself in the center. Give solutions that you think you can implement. Find problems that you think you can solve. Remember, participation to the World Teen Parliament is absolutely free. Nobody has to pay anything to participate in the World Teen Parliament. When you go down, you'll find the steps to participate. The first step is to click on this Register Now button, fill the registration form, and in your mailbox, you'll get the link of our Facebook group and our Instagram page. The second step is you have to post your 59-second video answer either in the World Teen Parliament Facebook group or on our Instagram from your parents or your school's account and tag BlubWorld and add the hashtags World Teen Parliament 2021 and WTP 2021 video entry. The third step, share your video with maximum friends, family, whoever you know, so that you get the maximum views, likes, and shares. On the basis of these, you will be invited to the live zonal parliament where you'll again share your idea and people will vote for you live. And on the basis of those live votes, you will get elected to the World Teen Parliament. Once you become a parliamentarian, there's an amazing array of opportunities waiting for you. The biggest question that we always get, how to post your video. After registering for the World Teen Parliament, post your video entry either on Facebook or on Instagram from a parent or school's account. When you go on Facebook, click here to go on our Facebook group and you'll be able to see the group and the kind of entries and videos that other students are making. When you click here, you'll be able to see our Instagram page, go to the tag section, and you'll again find the videos of different children who are solving global problems. All the participants of the Teen Parliament will get a certificate of participation, will get to attend free workshops on life skills, leadership, global governance, and policy making from global faculty. You'll get an opportunity to get your ideas funded. You'll get to meet and interact with global leaders. You'll also inspire children across the world with your ideas and solutions. You'll interact with teens globally in the World Teen Parliament community. Even if you don't become an MP, you still get to learn in our free workshops. So you'll get to attend free workshops on empathy, critical thinking, creativity, communication, collaboration, and leadership. Who will get selected? Or what's the selection criteria? So the selection to the Teen Parliament depends on two factors. First, the solution and plan that the teen gives for any local or global problem. The support that they gather for their solution with social media views, likes, and shares. So the practicality of your idea will be judged by a jury, and the popularity will be judged by the views, likes, and shares to your video entry. What will you do once you become an MP? If you become an MP, you'll be talking to global leaders, you'll be proposing them solutions that are selected in the World Teen Parliament. You'll inspire teens across the world through your talks and speeches. You'll implement the idea that you gave in the Teen Parliament, like a school project with your friends, to make it a reality. And finally, you will plan and post the next World Teen Parliament, and we'll become a secretariat to you. Most of these activities you'll be doing virtually or online because of the COVID guidelines. The participation rules. All teenagers must participate and submit their video entry under strict parental control only. The eligibility for participating, you have to be above 13 years of age and under 19 years of age on 15th of September 2021. The tenure of the Teen Parliament. The tenure is 12 months or 1 year. Each year, a new Teen Parliament will be constituted via a selection-cum-election process. If you become an MP, you have to devote 21 days out of the whole year to the Teen Parliament, in the sense of attending the parliamentary sessions and implementing the idea that you gave in the Parliament. If you want to read the complete TNC, click on this button and you'll reach onto our TNC page. The important dates. We started or opened registrations from 15th of April 2021. Right now, the different future skilling workshops are going on. So if you register now, you will get to attend these workshops quickly and right away. The last date to upload your video entry is 15th of December 2021. After this, we would not be accepting video entries. And from 17th of January 2022, we start the zonal parliaments. And on 22nd of January 2022, the World Teen Parliament will get established. If you have any questions that you think I did not answer, click on this button and see our FAQ section. When you go down, you can get more details about the opportunities for school leaders, your principals. When you further go down, you can see the opportunities for teachers. And if you want to see the people who are helping us, go and meet our advisors on our website and you'll get details about them. Also, get an introduction of the mentors who will be mentoring you through the process of the World Teen Parliament. If you still have any questions, further scroll down, fill in this form, and our team will get back to you. Thanks for listening. We are waiting to see you at the World Teen Parliament. Thank you.